Many times in our day-to-day conversations or in writing, we discuss actions or events that have been done or are being done. Every now and then, we will need to use the helping verbs is, are, was, and where. In this lesson, we will talk about which verb to use. Use is when the doer of the action is a singular noun and the action is being done in the present or currently. For example, the boy is playing outside now. The boy is a singular doer or noun, and now denotes the action is being done currently or in the present, so we use is. Use are when the doer is plural and the action is being done in the present or currently. For example, the boys are playing outside now. The doer, the boys, are plural and now denotes the present. Therefore, we use the verb are. Use where when the doer is plural and the action happened in the past. For example, the boys were playing outside yesterday. The doer, the boys, are plural and yesterday denotes the past. Therefore, we use were. Use was when the doer of the action is singular and the action happened in the past. For example, the boy was playing outside yesterday. The doer is singular and yesterday denotes the past. Therefore, we use was. There is an exception to the rules, however, when the doer of the action is I. I always uses am for actions happening in the present and uses was for actions that happened in the past. As example number 1, I am playing outside now. The doer is I and the action being described is happening now. Therefore, we use am. As example number 2, I was playing outside yesterday. The doer is I, but this time the action was done yesterday. Therefore, we use was. I have summarized below, for easy reference, the rules we just discussed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.